Alright, you guys, come with me to go to Oakland to go find parts for my mom's newly acquired 2001 Saab 9.3. Oh, I'm in neutral. Wow. Yes, I'm going all the way from Watsonville to Oakland. And I need to go to the bathroom real quick before I depart. Because, you know, this is low fuel and good gas. But our goal is today. No drill. I'm gonna take out the batteries when I get back in. But yeah, the goal today is to get vacuum lines, bypass valves, check valve, a mass sensor, check the throttle body, see if it's the same type, and maybe, you know, snag it up. Parts from interior pieces like the AC unit, see if it's the same, if it's digital, if it's a manual, then no. Maybe tail lights, headlights, pretty much everything. And I show you the car. It's in clean condition, but it just needs some things in here and there, and it has a check engine light. And I'm thinking it's gonna be mostly for vacuum lines that are cracked. I might as well just get a new, or not even new, but like see if I can find some. So here's the car, pretty clean. Oh, and also a CV axle. Need to get a CV axle as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go all the way to Oakland right now to go check 99 Saab, see if they have similar parts. Check the part number, see if they match up. Take them. If not, well, look for something else. Maybe order online. But yeah, I'm gonna build this. Alright, so I'm taking a jump pack just in case, because I've had my truck sitting for like a month or two, and usually it does drain a little bit, so just precaution, you know. It's always good to be precautious. But yeah, I need to go get gas right now. Funky. Alright. Yeah, I'm pretty much just taking the basic necessities for the Saab, because it looks like it only needs like 13s, 17s, 10s. Yeah, I've already taken. Okay, my wallet, phone. Yeah, it's fine. I don't need anything else. A monster. Yeah. It's a nice car. Just need to get it running 100%. I mean, it runs and drives super good. You know, engine's powerful. It's my mom's car, so I have to have it running A100, A1. Yeah, hey, we'll get gas right now. I have my water bottle and my monster. I think it's a 2-hour drive. Especially right now, it's already like 9, so I'm gonna get there like 11. The goal is to leave back at closing at 5. If I get all the parts. Oh, I forgot a crowbar. I need to get a crowbar. Okay, I need to go back to the house right now and get a crowbar. Oh, pry bar, not a crowbar. Pry bar. I need to get a pry bar. Yeah. Get some gasolina. Fill up probably like 40 bucks. I don't need that much gas. Oh, shit.
I don't do threats, I just do that.
Alright. Officially here on Oakland. And damn, I used to be a pump right? That's crazy. Just past the DMV at the Oakland. Now going straight to the sketchy, area. I see pick and pull up ahead, the sign. Don't mind that. it's just my shocks. They're fine, but it's missing the rubber. But yes, I am down the street from it. But god damn, these streets are fucking terrible. Sorry about it. They're terrible. Can't fucking do shit. What the fuck is this? My goodness. What is this place? Look at this. I mean, it looks cool, but hell no. Hell no. So I need to go to the left, I guess? I don't fucking know. I don't even think I've been here in a while. Hey, if my shit gets stolen here, you know why. Because this shit's fucking kind of bunky. So, you know why. My shit probably gonna get stolen in here. Oh, bitch. I'm in this bitch. Ooh. In this bitch. Ah. Damn. It's packed. It's already packed. Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it. I'll park right. It's hard to fucking find park because I don't want to fucking be this. Alright, here. I'm gonna go lock up, take my essentials, and see what's up. Cause it's fucking sketchy here. Oh, I'm bringing it right now. Hold on. Just. Okay. Done. Get another sip of this. Oh, yeah. Dude, it's been like almost like a year that I've been to a pick and pull. Crazy. Alright. Keys. This. It's heavy. Damn. I think you can record in there, so I'm just gonna put this away right now once I get closer. But yeah, look at the shit. Charged the GoPro and it stopped charging because it didn't turn red light. It's at 67%, but I'm in here. And the Saab is at row 25. I'm at row. Whoa. Whoa, 27. 26. God damn. 25, 50. 25. This one. Oh, look at this. My goodness. God damn. Alright. So we're 25. 26. I mean, it should be here. I'll look for it right now. Oh, una fondita. Oh, here we are. SE. Perfect. Perfect. That's the same color too. It's a 1201. Be good. Obviously the back was crashed. these metallic are still pretty good. I'm gonna have to cop them. Oh, it has the same shit as the. Yes. It has the same. Oh, it's electric. I can't move that, but it has the same thing. It's missing the touchscreen though. I can take the radio. I'm probably gonna take this thing in the back and the rest of it. But first I need to get all this shit out the way. Because my water fell. Took off. This is where. Is this for? This is the Saab part. The engine cover. The key ignition thingy. That's fine. I don't need that. Okay, we don't have the hood already. I forgot to record. I took out the AC unit part. This part is already on the floor. Luckily, all you gotta do is just pop off this little clip. I did it with a knife. It's just a little cover. You wedge it in here. Pops off real easy, and this one you just wedge it from the bottom, pop it up, pull it out, get your finger in here, and you can just push out the AC thing. But now I need to see if I should do the radio, but I don't have anything that's this size. Unless I can just pull it through, but I don't think so. I need some pins. I need to look around, maybe like a pen, this pen right here. If this works, this is legendary technique, Mexican ingenuity, as I can say. So this thing, the pen, it could fit. I'm not sure. And it fits in there. You can pull it out a little bit. Pull this side out. Push it. Oh. Let's see, top. Boom. Bottom. Let's see. It's going. Did it go in? I don't know if I went in or broke. I'm gonna try the other way, that one with the ink side. Okay. Got that. Got that. Got that. It worked. It really worked. Bro, using this side with the ink, just jabbing it in the holes. And just like pulling it from the back and just boom, bro. It worked. Because my other one, it gets locked. So hopefully this one doesn't have that issue. This is the antenna, I think. I need to take it off. I don't want to see the antenna. This is another one right here. The issue with these is, since the cup holders are right here and you drop something, it damages it. But we have this right here. Legendary pull. Okay. Come on. Okay. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can too, because obviously if this works, it's a score. It does look a little bit musty, but it's fine. This one, my other one, had like stains on it. This one looks semi-dry. So hopefully it just works and I can just replace some stuff in the other one from mine. But this is also nice too. Mine's broken from right here. But everything else works, I think, from the other one. So I don't really need this stuff. I could take it, but I don't want to be greedy, you know? Everything else works. Oh, window. Oh, this one doesn't. I forgot. Mine's a 4-door. This doesn't have it. So these motors are not going to work for mine. But I think from in here, that's all I need. Oh, no. I need that motor back there. So I need to figure out what it is. I think they're Torx. Should be fine. I'll figure it out right now and I'll get you guys back on the video. So I don't think it's gonna be Torx. I'm not sure if it's Phillips or not. I do have more Torx bits. I just need to cut them open. I'm gonna get my knife for this. Smith & Wesson. Remember guys, don't cut towards yourself. Do what I say. Don't do what I do. Put them on there. Smith & Wesson. And I think I need to do T10. T10. T20. That's T20. T10. I'm gonna put this extender to see if it fits on there. I need to MacGyver this stuff. Oh, I need to keep that pen. I need to pick it up because that's my lucky charm. Okay, so it's not. Is it? I think it is. It is a Target T10. I'm doing it with my fingers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's a screw there. The other one. Where's it gonna be at? I see it. I see the other one. You guys can be my eyes. Oh, it's too dark in there. So I took off one screw right here. Another one's down here. I just need to kind of see my way. Okay, I need to cut this zip tie. Remember, I don't know if any of this works, but if it does, we in business. Okay, I think I'm on there. I think I'm on there. I think I'm on there, yes. I don't know why my fingers in this kind of. It's hard. I got stuck. Okay. Alright, so now I need to get a size that fits that thing. So it might be this one. I need to see what fits the back of the socket, and this one fits it. Oh, dude, perfect. So this is what I'm doing. I put the socket on there on the extension. Loosening it. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped the socket too. No, I dropped the socket. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I got the socket. Okay. on, there you go. Here you guys come on with me. Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. There you guys go. I think I lost that screw now. Oh well. Let me get that part out. That's all I need. I need this part. There we go. It's like a turny thing. Get the motor. Oh, the one went out on mine. Very easy to take off. There's a clip. There's two sides clip. You can just press it and it pulls down. Super easy to take off. I'm gonna put the GoPro away because it's getting kind of hot, and I think I'm gonna go back to outside. Here you guys can see the difference this filter makes. Boom. Ba-boom. Alright, so that's it right now. I'm using a T20 to take off that mass sensor or the airflow sensor. Dude. Ooh. No, it's gone. This is just a bracket right here. I'm gonna take off this bracket first. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave the bracket on there just so they say it's one complete piece. I got this somewhere over there. Oh well. I think I can take off the rest of it, I think. Hopefully. Oh, can I just push it out? I think I just push it out. But let me check that again. Back to you guys right now. Sir. There it is. Math is unplugged. Oh, undone. And now it's unplugged. Boom. It looks like. I mean, it is what it is. A little bit dirty, but hopefully it works. If my fingers still works. It is this side towards air cleaner. Yes, sir. Air meter. It has a little bit of a crack, but 01. I think it's an aftermarket one. I don't think it's a stock one. Oh no, it is. It's a Saab. You can't read it. Saab. That is still a box. Ooh. Anyway, shit, what did I do? Anyways, guys, 4 hours in. 4 hours in, I have both axles out. Pain in the ass. I'm black. Not literally, but I mean literally, but yeah, I'm done. I'm so tired. Broke my half-inch socket. I need to pack up most of my stuff and then move it to right here because I'm gonna work on getting the ECU out because I need it. I might need it. But yeah, catch you right now. Damn, alright, you guys, is the outcome of me. Total, you wouldn't even believe how much it came out to. I saw the numbers going up and up and up and up, and I was like, God damn. 900 and some change. 422. I am ready to go home. I have a 2-hour drive. And yeah, hopefully some of the stuff that I bought I'll just resell. But the main parts were the hoses, some of the sensors, and what else? The ECU. The ECU could be big. And throttle body as well could be big. I need to check it out once I have time. I'm just gonna get home and pretty much shower and get ready for my cut at 8. And I get home like around like 6:30 probably. Oh fuck. Yeah, I think it's like the homeless fucking camps. Shit is massive, bruh. Crazy. God damn. Insane, brother, insane. But yeah, listen to some good, cool ass music. Let me see what I'll listen to right now. Let's see what's gonna pop out. Alright guys, back roads. Going back through Watsonville Road to go to Watsonville. Gotta hit Mama Donna. I have not eaten yet. I don't think I'm gonna eat. Oh, super bright. Super bright. But yeah. I'm stuck behind the slow car right now. It's more like 35, 40. Hold up. Let's see the view. Hold on. See if I can do it in time. See if I can do it for this one. Yeah. You guys can see that, you know, hopefully it turns out good. I mean, I can't see because of this small screen. But yeah, it's a nice little drive right now. I am hungry as hell, but I can just wait until I get home and just eat some soup and take a shower and do a haircut and then fall asleep. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video probably. Yeah, that's probably it for this video. I'm probably gonna do more videos about the Saab, working on it, because online on YouTube there's not a lot of videos, so hopefully I can make some good videos, you know, diagnosing it, replacing parts. But yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Later. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna drive home and see what's up. I'm not sure. We will see. But yeah, peace for now.